In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Hostinger website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Backing up your site is one of the simplest but most important habits you can build. It protects your work and gives you a safety net if something goes wrong. I'll walk you through the exact actions inside Hostinger's Site Builder so you can create and restore backups confidently. Start by opening your website in the Builder. Make sure you're in the editing interface where you normally make changes. This is the place where the toolbar runs across the top and a sidebar runs down the left. Take a moment to confirm you have the correct site loaded, especially if you manage multiple projects, so you don't accidentally overwrite the wrong one. Next, look for the Save button in the top toolbar. Instead of clicking it immediately, hover your cursor over the Save button. When you hover, backup options appear. This is a quick way to trigger the built-in saving and backup features without leaving the builder. Use these options to save your current progress and create a snapshot you can return to later. Hovering reveals a menu of choices, so take a careful look at the labels before selecting the one that suits what you want to preserve. If you need to access older versions or restore a previous state, move to the sidebar and click the ellipsis icon, the three-dot symbol. That opens additional settings. From there, select Manage Backups. This view shows the backups Hostinger has stored for your site. Each saved version typically includes a timestamp, so you can choose exactly when the snapshot was taken. Be aware that backups in this system are retained for 30 days. That means you can restore to any point within that window, but versions older than 30 days will be automatically removed. When you pick a version to restore, the builder will replace the current site content with the selected snapshot, so confirm that the date and time match the state you want to return to. A few practical tips. Create a manual save before making major edits, and double-check the restored site after the process completes to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Regularly using the Save Hover options and checking Manage Backups will keep your workflow safe and reversible. That's it. A clear, easy way to back up and restore your Hostinger website using the builder's built-in tools.